Hey guys, I'm showing you this wireless lavalier. It's a microphone for iPhone with charging case, 2-pack dual-channel lapel mic with noise reduction. It's a mini microphone for iPhone and iPads. So this is the box. As you can see, this is the manual. It's straightforward manual, describes everything. This is the box. This is also a charging box with a USB-C charging in the back. So there are two receivers, one receiver and two mic so that you can use. So this is the accessory kit and have the charging cable inside. So you can see this is a USB-C charging. So that you can put in here and attach this as a mic as a USB on the other side. You can also charge the individual mic using these, and these are clips for putting it on the shirt or the t-shirt. Same thing here with the next one. You can charge it with a USB-C and you can just put it on a clip on your shirt or the t-shirt. So with the receiver, this is the charging port here, and this is the connecting port to the iPhone or iPad. This is a lightning connector. So I'm just putting it in this iPhone, and you can see it's automatically detected and start installing this one. After installing, this is the mic. It's need to be combined with this. I take it, press the button, and here it's get connected easily. So now I'm just putting it on my t-shirt and just to see how this thing works. So I just need to open a voice recorder so I can show the quality.
Hello, 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 mic testing, hello. Hello, 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 mic testing, hello.
So this is a pretty nice and clear location, and this is how it looks.